Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly hyperlink to another sheet in Excel. Let's get started. In this workbook, I've organized 5 sheets, a summary tab, and 4 quarterly sheets labeled Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4, each containing specific data. The aim is to create links within cells that navigate directly to these respective sheets upon clicking. To start, right-click on the cell. Choose the Hyperlink option, or use the shortcut Ctrl-K to open the Insert Hyperlink dialog box. Select Place in this document to view all worksheet names. Pick the desired sheet, let's say Q1, and specify the cell where the link should direct. After clicking OK, a hyperlink is established. Clicking the cell now seamlessly navigates to the designated Q1 sheet and cell A1. Repeat this process for other sheets. Additionally, you can create links to define named ranges. So I would go to Q4 sheet here, and I would select this entire data set. To create a named range, I would type a name here in the name box. Let me call this Q4 data. Now when I hit enter, a name range has been created. Now when I go back to the summary tab, I can right-click on this cell, click on hyperlink, and it would show me these defined names here. I can select this one, click OK, and now when I click on this cell here, it instantly takes me to the defined name, and the entire name range is selected. This method allows you to link either to specific cells or define names within worksheets. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.